Welcome to Tuition Near Miss webinar. Today, we will be sharing about how to create an open-ended question on our EduTech platform. Open-ended questions are different from other types of questions. I will explain why later. So, let's start to explore this by clicking on Login. This will bring us to the dashboard, and then we just need to click on Create a new course. Now, let's give our course a test title. Then, just scroll down and look for the header, Course Builder. Under Course Builder, click on Add New Topic. Give your topic a name and quick summary. Then, Add Topic. Under the same header, Course Builder, click on the quiz. Give your quiz a title and summary. Then, click Save and Next. Click on Add Question. Write your question in the given space. Once ready, select your question type, choose Open-Ended. No option is necessary for this answer type. So just click Add to Questions. Click Save and Next. Click Save and Next again. Now, we are going to preview, so let's click the Preview button. Now, scroll down and click on Enroll Now. Okay, let's go back to the course creation page and click Preview. Scroll down and click Start Learning. Scroll down and click Start Quiz. Write your answer in the given space and click Submit Quiz. The score tabulation is not completed, so we have to go back to our personal dashboard. Under Personal Dashboard, look for Quiz Attempts. As you can see, the question status is still pending, and we have to mark it before it's completed. Let's review it. Check the given answer against the correct answer. Then click the correct symbol. You can add a feedback as well, if you want. Well, that's it. Thanks for attending today's webinar, and we hope it is useful to you. We look forward to seeing you again.